A for apple. B for banana. C for carrot. D for dragon fruit. E for eggplant. F for fig. G for guava. H for honeydew. I for ITA PALM. J for jalapeno. K for kiwi. L for lemon. N for mango. N for nut. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for quince. R for radish. S for strawberry. T for tomato. U for ugly fruit. V for VIDALIA onion. W for watermelon. X for XEMENIA. Y for yum. Z for ZUCHINI. Bye for now. Like, share, subscribe.